Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS buttons. So in this video we're going to see how we can style buttons using CSS style. So first of all, we're going to create one button and the button will have the text click me. So now to style the button, inside the style tag we're going to select the button element, and first of all we're going to add some background color of green, and then we're going to add the text color of white, and now we're gonna remove the border, so border will be none. And now we're going to add some padding around the button of 10 pixel. Now we're going to center our text, so we use text align center, and also I'm going to increase the font size of 20 pixel, and also we're going to display our button as inline block element. So this is the way we can style the buttons in CSS by using CSS style. So here our button can have any color, and also we can add some padding around our button, and also we can increase the font size of our button, and also our button can have rounded corners. For that we have to use border radius property. So here we're going to use the border radius 5 pixel. So you can see now the corners are rounded, and also we can increase the value, and this way we can round the corners of our button. And also we can create one hoverable button where whenever we hover mouse over the button, then the background color will be changed to green. So you can see whenever we put the mouse over the button, the background color changes to green. And also we can add the transition, so we can set the transition duration. So now instead of having the subtle change of background color, now the background color change is happening smoothly over the duration of 1 second. And also we can add some shadow to our button element. For that we have to use the box shadow property. So here we're going to use 5 pixel as horizontal shadow, 5 pixel as vertical shadow, and then we're going to use the blur of 10 pixel, and the color will be gray. So now you can see our button now have some shadow. And also we can create one disabled button, means the button will be faded out, and whenever we put the mouse over the button, then it will show one no parking sign. So for that, first of all we're going to use the opacity property to add the transparency to our button. So we're going to use the opacity of 0.7. So you can see now our button is faded out. And also we have to use the cursor property. So the cursor property will specify the type of cursor will be shown whenever we put our mouse over the button. So here we're going to use the cursor as not allowed. So now you can see our cursor is having the no parking sign, and this way we can create the disable button. And also we can set the width of our button. So we have to use the width property, and the width can be in absolute value like 200 pixel, or we can use the percentage like 50%, or even we can use 75%. So this is the way we can use the CSS styles, and we can style the buttons in our web page. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.